Our bodies are built only from the things we eat and the things we drink. The nutrients in our food keep our bodies healthy and our minds balanced. To eat is indeed to live itself. We must give more thought to our diet. It is said that of the 5 essential nutrients, we get too much protein, carbohydrates, and fats in our modern diets, and a deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins cannot be properly absorbed to fulfill their functions without the aid of minerals. Additionally, although our bodies can synthesize some vitamins, we cannot produce a single mineral. Of all the 5 nutrients, the one we most need to absorb from the food we eat is minerals. But unfortunately, we live in a time when minerals are mostly absent from our irregular diets and we cannot get balanced nutrition. Today, just as in the past, minerals remain one of the most special nutrients for humans. But in this modern era, mineral deficiencies are seen across the globe. In the past 100 years, approximately 80 to 90% of minerals have disappeared from agricultural land on a global scale. Minerals are decreasing in Japanese farmland also, and the mineral content of vegetables, grains, and fruits, etc., has rapidly diminished in the past few decades. Why has this happened? Humans seek convenience and comfort, and to that end we have pushed forward with various developments. The cycle of minerals back to agricultural land has been disrupted by the construction of dams and the progression of drainage systems. But the biggest factor is the development of scientific farming methods. Unable to live in the soil, worms and microbes have been killed off. Plants have been put into a condition whereby they cannot utilize minerals. In this way, we have lost a wide variety of minerals. U.S. Senate document number 264 publicly declared that the alarming fact is that foods, fruits, vegetables, and grains, now being raised on millions of acres of land that no longer contain enough of certain minerals, are starving us, no matter how much of them we eat. The truth is that our foods vary enormously in value, and some of them aren't worth eating as food. We are unable to obtain our minerals from the natural world. Many businesses and scientists have attempted to synthesize these minerals in order to save us from this predicament, but with little success so far. Called inorganic minerals, minerals that could be artificially created differed in properties such as size, electrification, adsorptivity, and safety in comparison to plant-based minerals from the natural world. So even the concentrated knowledge and resources of mankind could not create the minerals we get from the natural world. Plant-based minerals are said to be the 4th resource after earth, water, and air. The same U.S. Senate document also noted that a deficiency in plant-based minerals is sure to sicken and shorten the life of humans. It is said that we need 16 essential minerals and over 70 plant-based minerals, including essential minerals, every day to keep ourselves in peak physical condition. In other words, plant-based minerals include over 70 kinds of mineral absorbed by plants through their own biological processes. But just as we were about to give up and accept that we live in a time when minerals cannot be obtained from crops, and there is no method by which to get plant-based minerals, a miraculous plant-based mineral no longer provided by agricultural land and impossible to manufacture was discovered. This mineral was known by the American Indians in the great expanses of North America and handed down from generation to generation as holy miracle water. But an investigation with modern analysis techniques established it to be a treasure trove of plant-based minerals. Rather than the water itself, it was a layer of rock that attracted attention. A study by the U.S. government found the layer to consist of plant deposits 70 million to 127 million years old. An abundance of minerals absorbed by the plants at the time lay dormant in this layer, which was an area the size of Chiba Prefecture. These plant-based minerals, without which we cannot survive, are the Earth's gift to us from 100 million years in the past. We have now succeeded in extracting over 70 plant-based minerals from this using just cold water. Plant-based minerals, indispensable for humans. This has brought a healthy lifestyle back to the modern era. Recent research has increasingly identified mineral deficiency to be a cause of sickness. Enzymes, a cousin to minerals, are an important component of health that eliminates harmful reactive oxygen from inside the body. But enzymes are a combination of minerals and proteins and cannot function without minerals. In addition, the fundamental origins of various diseases, such as diabetes, hypertension, atopy, heart disease, asthma, strokes, depression, and hypersensitivity to cold can often lie in a mineral deficiency. U.S. Senate document number 264 stated in its closing remarks, "Our physical well-being is more directly dependent upon the minerals we take into our systems rather than vitamins, protein, or carbohydrates we consume." Dr. Linus Pauling, winner of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry and the Nobel Peace Prize, said, "You can trace every sickness, every disease, and every ailment to the mineral deficiency." Plant-based minerals, absolutely necessary for your body.